good morning, and it's a really rainy morning. It's snow raining everywhere here, so a lot of shops closed down, and yeah, we will see if we get something for breakfast, hopefully. So this is Broadway. I'm just walking over here. No cars at all. It seems like we're almost the only people that like the weather. But yeah, fun. A little bit windy, but other than that, Austrian weather. So outside is snow, but inside here we're quite warm and cozy, so no problem for us
at all.
Alright, because we felt like we don't want to go out for dinner, we ordered food to our hotel room. Yes! And now we will show you what it is. It's a bag in a bag. Woo! Legit burgers. Alright, just coming back from our late 7-Eleven trip, and yeah, I think we leave it for today and continue tomorrow with the better story. So hope you guys like this one. Was a little bit chilly, but see you tomorrow.
Like and subscribe.